Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jalson Balderas, and today I'll be doing a curly hair routine video using Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I actually already showered. I used the Curl Care shampoo. The directions are to lather and work into wet hair, rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow up with the Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner. For the conditioner, the directions are to distribute generously throughout damp or dry hair. Proceed as desired, rinse, leave in, or co-wash. So basically, I love this conditioner, by the way, and basically what I do is I put about a quarter size amount on my palm for the shampoo, and then I just gently massage it on my scalp, get a good clean, and then I follow that up with the 3-in-1 conditioner. I use about like 6 pumps of this stuff on my hair, and I always start off at the bottom, so I just put it all over the bottom of my hair and I leave it there for a little while I do other shower things. There's yard work going on the day I decide to film this video. And then at the top I will put a little bit and then I'll rinse most of it out, but I try and leave some of it still towards the bottom. So now I'm going to follow up with the styling products. So these have been some of my favorite drugstore products. I love them. They're very affordable and I don't go through them too quickly. I have the Curl Talk Defining Cream, I have the Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel, and then I have the Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. I'm going to take you through my curly hair routine style using these products. There's actually yard work going on next door, so I won't be able to talk about it as I'm filming, but I will do a little voiceover. So I feel like my hair works best when I have it completely wet, so I'm going to re-wet my hair and then follow it up with my detangling brush. I use the wet brush and it has been working really well for me. So when it comes to product, I usually just take my finger and my thumb, wrap it around one side of my hair, and that's how much product I put on one side. Right now I am using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk cream. So I'm doing that on both sides of my hair and making sure that I rake it through. After the first step with the cream, I next follow up with the gel. And before I put it into my hair, I like to put my hair halfway up with the clip. I have just found that this is a great way for me to be able to evenly distribute the gel. And what I do with the gel is I take one side and just rake it through evenly, and then I try and do the same thing with the other side. I try and rake it through evenly, and I put about a quarter sized amount in my palm for both sides, and then I get a little bit more and try and put it in that area in the back that's a little bit more difficult to get. And then I take down the clip and do the same thing on the top half of my hair. I just make sure to get that quarter sized amount for each section, raking it through. After putting the gel in my hair, I usually just detangle once more. Next, I put my hair up halfway again, and then I use my Denman brush. This brush is great for helping to define your curls. I usually just go section by section. A lot of ways that people use this brush, but I like to brush out away from my scalp to create more volume in the roots. And then I just follow that up with scrunching each section that I just combed through. I'm still figuring out my curl type, but I most likely have like a 2b, 2c, sometimes 3a curl. So this step really helps. Just scrunching up towards the top is what helps my hair to get that really defined curl and wave. Then I follow up with finger coiling. I've been using this technique and I've really been loving how it's been leaving my curls. I usually just do this technique towards the front. And if you take a look at my earlier videos, you'll notice that my hair wasn't as defined in the front. So it's really nice to see the curls finally coming in. Next, I used the Curl Talk Mousse, and I put about the amount that you see in the video on my palm for one side of my hair. And what I do is I just gently graze over it and then I scrunch it up. I try not to mess up the curls that I already defined with the Denman brush. Then I put about the same amount on the other side, and I try and again just very carefully graze over my hair and then I scrunch up. So now that I finished styling my hair with the Curl Talk products, I'm going to diffuse. I'm using a very old diffuser. I've had this diffuser for about 12 years now. It is Revlon. I'll try and look it up and link it below, but it's been so faithful for the last 12 years. So now that I'm all done diffusing, I am going to add some aloe and blueberry juice by Curls. It's kind of like, it says it's a curl moisturizer, no sulfates, no silicones, parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances. I love this so much. So I usually just do about 3 pumps, and then I lather it and put it all over my hair. I do this when I'm going to scrunch out the cast, and I feel like it leaves my curls looking very defined. It gives it a nice shine to them as well. And then to give it a little volume, I just shake out my hair like this at the roots. And then sometimes if the front pieces are a little too, like if I can break it apart, I'll just grab some of the curl and carefully break it up into 2 curls. That's basically it. These are my Curl Talk curly hair routine results for today. So that is it for today. I am so glad that you took the time to see this curly hair routine. Hopefully it was helpful, and please let me know if you have any other questions or comments. I'm still trying to figure out the density and the porosity of it. I know that'll be really helpful with products and what kind of products to use. But hope you enjoyed today's video, and see you guys next time.